Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best emergency fire blankets available in the market. The Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. This innovative product promises peace of mind and effective fire suppression without the mess of traditional extinguishers. Let's explore why this could be a game changer for your safety needs. First off, what sets the Prepared Hero Fire Blanket apart is its simplicity. Designed for quick deployment, you simply pull down the tabs to unleash this fiberglass wonder. Made from 100% quality flame-retardant materials and conforming to CE safety standards. It boasts layers of woven fiberglass fabric with an inner fire-retardant film. Ideal for small fires in the kitchen, backyard, or even in your vehicle, this blanket is lightweight and easy to handle. It's effective on various types of fires, including those involving liquids or grease, making it versatile for different scenarios. Let's talk specifics. It can withstand temperatures up to 1076 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a reliable shield in critical moments. Unlike traditional extinguishers, this blanket never expires, ensuring long-term readiness without the need for replacements. Now, let's see it in action. We'll simulate a small kitchen fire scenario to demonstrate how easy and effective it is to use. Compared to traditional fire extinguishers, the Prepared Hero Fire Blanket offers a cleaner, simpler approach to fire suppression. Its compact size and ease of storage make it a practical addition to any home or vehicle emergency kit. In conclusion, the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket stands out as a reliable, cost-effective solution for fire safety. Whether you're a homeowner, camper, or simply value preparedness, this product delivers peace of mind when it matters most. If you're interested in learning more or adding one to your safety arsenal, check out the link in the description below.